Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connection and Sharing right away. Then select Printing, and following that, the Footprint service. If you don't want to use it, tap on Add Service and download perfect one for you. In my case, HP one. Either way, after tapping on one of your services, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!